YAML. Prerequisites. AWS account. Purpose: to provide the necessary infrastructure and resources to host AWS Code Pipeline. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline is a managed service that runs within an AWS account. It relies on other AWS services, such as AWS Code Build, AWS Code Deploy, and AWS S3, which are also part of your AWS account. Role. Purpose: to grant permissions to AWS Code Pipeline for accessing necessary resources. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline needs permissions to interact with other services, such as S3 for storing artifacts or Code Build for building your application. An role with the required permissions allows Code Pipeline to perform these actions on your behalf. Source code repository. Purpose: to store and version control the source code that will be used in your deployment pipeline. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline requires access to your source code to initiate the build and deployment processes. This could be a Git repository hosted on GitHub, Bitbucket, or AWS Code Commit, or any other source code management system supported by AWS Code Pipeline. Build specification. Purpose: to define the steps involved in building your application. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline integrates with AWS Code Build to build your application. The build specification defines the build environment, build commands, and any other steps necessary to create a deployable artifact from your source code. Deployment infrastructure. Purpose: to host your application after it has been built and deployed. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline can deploy your application to various environments, such as AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Amazon EC2, or AWS Lambda. You need to have the necessary infrastructure set up in these environments to receive and run your application. Deployment configuration. Purpose: to define the specific steps involved in deploying your application to the target environment. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline requires a deployment configuration to guide the deployment process. This includes details like the deployment strategy, rollback mechanism, and any specific settings required for the target environment. AWS Code Build. Purpose: to automatically build your application from source code. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline uses AWS Code Build to perform the build process. Code Build provides a managed build environment that allows you to run your build commands and create a deployable artifact. AWS Code Deploy. Purpose: to automate the deployment of your application to the target environment. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline integrates with AWS Code Deploy to handle the deployment process. Code Deploy provides various deployment strategies and features to ensure a smooth and reliable deployment of your application. AWS S3. Purpose: to store build artifacts and other data related to your pipeline. Explanation: AWS Code Pipeline relies on AWS S3 for storing artifacts, deployment scripts, and other pipeline-related data. This ensures that these elements are readily available during the pipeline execution. AWS CloudWatch. Purpose: to monitor the health and performance of your pipelines. Explanation: AWS CloudWatch provides detailed metrics and logs for your pipelines. This helps you track the performance of each stage, identify any potential issues, and troubleshoot any problems that may arise during execution.